Hi everybody, this is David with Selman Home Inspections. I can't stress how important it is to have these brand new homes inspected. I did an inspection on a home and just wanted to go over in our actual report what some of the things we found in the exterior walls were. So these are things we might commonly find in new construction home inspections that your builder should fix and take care of these items. The first thing in this report is we've just got some expansion and contraction cracks in the exterior brick mortar. You can see the comment that you would typically read in our report explaining those cracks. The same thing here. This is just our comment about where bricks overhang the foundation, where something was installed out of alignment. Generally, in construction, the bricks should not be hanging over the foundation. They should sit squarely on the brick ledge. New construction, again, lots of places where the brick mortar is missing. There's one here where the brick mortar is missing around a window casing, and you can actually see part of the wood framing for that window case structure. So that won't last very long out in the elements and weather, and certainly needs to be taken care of. This has been a standard for many years, but we should have a space between the exterior siding and the roof covering, just to make sure that water doesn't get trapped behind there and prematurely rot out that siding or create a roof leak. Again, brand new construction. A lot of these are just details, but they're really important for the home's longevity. And here we have just a lot of places where the exterior siding lacks filler. It could either be, in some cases, it's going to be caulking or sealant. In some cases, it's going to be brick mortar or stone masonry mortar that didn't get where it needed to go. You see the openings there that will allow wildlife penetration into places that insects and other wildlife shouldn't go. Same thing here behind the air conditioning equipment, just a big gap between where those two covers are located. Lots of gaps in the exterior siding. Some of this was improperly flashed. It was just installed poorly. And so there are some large gaps that can allow, again, wildlife penetration, water and moisture penetration into the wall structure. Very important to take care of those and get them sealed. So these are just common things in new construction. Here, this is just a pet peeve. I mean, this is a brand new house. Why would we patch together pieces of window frame and trim? These should be nice, solid pieces that aren't patchwork on a brand new home. Front porch of this house, kind of hidden behind this column here on the front porch, there are some damaged bricks and a missing brick, it looks like, behind that column. Again, just places for moisture and insects to penetrate the home. And here, I'm not sure if you can see it in this photo, but right through here, if you look, there's sort of a bulge in this section of the outer wall. There really shouldn't be any sort of deflections or unevenness in the exterior brick walls. It could be that the brick ties themselves that hold it to the framing weren't installed properly or adequately. Maybe there's not enough of them, or maybe the framing's just that out of square. But really don't want to see those kinds of deflections in new construction. You know, minor details, there's some cracks, just minor cracks in the window sills. This particular window was facing west. A lot of our weather comes from that direction. So any of these openings in the outside walls can allow moisture to penetrate, and just really don't want to see that on a new construction home. So just wanted to stress the importance of getting your new home inspected so that the builder can correct his own mistakes and get these things taken care of so you don't have water penetration and unwanted wildlife entry and bricks not installed properly on the house. Just get those taken care of by the builder. So our inspection, you can give these reports that we do for you to your builder, and he will need to take care of those items. Again, I'm David with Selman Home Inspections. Hope you'll check us out on YouTube, our YouTube videos, and I hope that you'll visit our website at selmanhomeinspections.com and visit us on Facebook. We look forward to working with you. Thanks, and have a great day.